Are you dealing with back pain, sciatica, or disc issues that just won't go away? Hi, I'm Dr. Colby King with Freeform Chiropractic, and today I'm excited to share how our spinal decompression therapy can help you find lasting relief and get back to living your best life. What is spinal decompression? Spinal decompression is a non-surgical, gentle therapy designed to relieve pressure on your spine, particularly the disc and the nerves. It's like giving your spine the space it needs to heal naturally, aka our surgery canceling devices. So how does it work? At Freeform Chiropractic, we use state-of-the-art KDT decompression tables and advanced technology to gently stretch the spine. This creates a negative pressure within the disc, helping to retract bulging or herniated discs. This improves the blood flow and delivers nutrients to the affected area. The result, reduced pain and improved mobility. So a lot of people ask, what problems does it treat? Spinal decompression is highly effective for conditions like a herniated disc, a bulging disc, sciatica, that's gonna be the pain that shoots down your leg. Also the chronic lower back or neck pain, pinched nerves, or the degenerative disc disease. This therapy is gonna be a key part of your personalized game plan at Freeform. We don't just treat the symptoms, we assess your spine, your lifestyle, your health goals to create a tailored plan that addresses the root cause of your pain. So what makes us different? At Freeform, we're committed to quality care, and a lot of people have spinal decompression or maybe the inversion table, but our KDT decompression tables are different. These tables allow us to get the height, the weight, and the angle just right to target the specific disc or the area of the spine, ensuring precise, individualized treatment. And we focus on the long-term healing, not just the quick fixes, so you can move, feel, and live free. So if back pain or sciatica is holding you back, don't wait for it to get worse. We have a list of people here that are on our Freedom Wall who have canceled their surgery. Let's get your picture up there. Visit us at Freeform Chiropractic for a consultation. Let's build your game plan to a pain-free life.